Hi. So I hear blizzard in the Rockland area, and here I am. What did I do to deserve it? Don't know, but we're here. Look up here. This is the whiteout conditions we're talking about. The winds are so fierce right now, barely can open my eyes. But I'm in downtown Camden, as I mentioned, and I've been here many times. Obviously, it's a summer hot spot, right, for tourists. And I barely recognize where I am right now because it is so bad. But I did want to show you, we talk about the snow drifts. So come over here. You see, this is the drifts. Now, I mean, it doesn't look like we've got a foot of snow yet, but again, this is still early. I'd say maybe a half, but listen to the wind. So Tim behind the camera says, "What is that noise?" And I said, "It's the wind. Listen, you hear the wind." So we've got wind. We've got something over here. He wants to show the live truck, I guess. But yeah, here we are. It's the height of this storm. I've been in many blizzards before. It looks like, it seems like to me this is bad, but I've seen it worse. We don't have that mixed precipitation. So this is just the snow. If we had the mix, it would be so much more miserable. I did tell you about the ride up. There were, you know, patches. You could see some dry spots on the road. Then all of a sudden, 10 miles before Rockland, forget it. This is what we're up against. So that's the scene here in downtown Camden. We'll send it back to you.